The no media device error on Element TVs is one of the most frustrating issues users encounter. This error typically appears as a black screen with a message indicating no media device is detected. This problem most commonly occurs when using HDMI inputs, cable connections, or external devices like gaming consoles and streaming boxes. This issue has become increasingly common due to several factors: HDMI handshake protocol issues with newer 4K devices, firmware compatibility problems, power management conflicts, and cable degradation from increased usage. Now let's address this issue immediately with proven solutions. The first and most effective method is the power cycle sequence, which resolves about 70 to 80% of cases. Step 1. Unplug your TV from power for at least 60 seconds. This allows all capacitors to fully discharge and resets the internal systems. Step 2. Disconnect all HDMI devices from your TV. This includes gaming consoles, streaming devices, cable boxes, and any other connected equipment. Step 3. Reconnect the TV to power first, then reconnect each device one by one. Allow 30 seconds between each connection to ensure proper recognition. The second immediate solution is HDMI port testing. Test each HDMI port individually with known working cables and devices to identify port-specific malfunctions. These immediate solutions resolve the majority of no media device errors. The power cycle sequence addresses communication and power issues, while port testing identifies hardware-specific problems. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Element TV's no media device error, it's time for advanced solutions. The first step is updating firmware on both your TV and connected devices. Navigate to your TV's settings menu and look for System Update or Firmware Update options. Many Element TVs also support voice commands through Alexa for easier navigation to update settings. Don't forget to update connected devices like streaming boxes, cable boxes, and gaming consoles. Firmware mismatches between devices often cause communication failures. Next, optimize your HDMI configuration settings. Access your TV's external device manager to adjust HDMI CEC settings, which can sometimes interfere with device recognition. Try temporarily disabling HDMI CEC to see if this resolves device recognition issues. You can also set HDMI ports to enhanced mode if available, which provides better compatibility with modern devices. Signal format adjustments between YUV and RGB can also resolve compatibility issues. Different devices prefer different color spaces, so experimenting with these settings often helps. For future-proofing your setup, upgrading to HDMI 2.1 certified cables is essential. These cables support higher bandwidth and newer features required by modern devices. High-quality HDMI 2.1 cables like this one support 8K resolution, 4K at 120 Hz, and advanced gaming features. They're backward compatible but provide much better reliability. Power management is crucial for preventing device recognition issues. Always use external power adapters for streaming devices instead of your TV's USB ports. TV USB ports often don't provide enough consistent power for streaming devices, leading to intermittent connection issues. External power eliminates these problems. Finally, establish a preventive maintenance routine. Enable automatic firmware updates when available and manually check for updates every 3 to 6 months. Document your working configurations so you can quickly restore settings if problems occur. This advanced approach prevents most compatibility issues and ensures reliable performance from your Element TV setup.